Time now for our final trader of the day. Mark Sebastian of Option Pit Mentoring is joining us. Mark, we have received a wonderful email from one of our viewers. She writes, I'm interested in buying stock, don't know anything except what I've learned from watching you. Well, thank you so much. And that's a nice compliment, Mark, to all the traders, including yourself, who share their knowledge on the show.
Lena, it's great to hear you interested in buying stocks. I think one of the classic mistakes a lot of retail investors make is when the market is screaming higher, they want to buy stocks and they think they need to buy stocks. And then when we get these big sell-offs, they're actually afraid to buy stocks when it should actually be the opposite. So the fact that you're interested and want to buy stocks right here, I think is a really good sign.
Well, our question continues with dividends are good, calls are good, don't understand ticks, love some instruction. I have some stocks I would be interested in. What do you think, Mark?
I agree. Dividends are the best. I like what's called a DRIP, a dividend reinvestment program. It's a way of having the company use their dividends to buy more stock instead of taking the cash. So that's something I prescribe on stocks that are relatively low priced. And I gotta say, with where the market is trading, there are a lot of stocks that I think are cheap. Ticks are not something you need to worry about too much. Ticks, all that means is a stock ticks up. That means the last trade was higher, not lower. And stocks tick down. That means the last trade was lower, not higher. Some names that I like here, if you are interested in some stocks and you want to get some dividends, is a name like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola pays almost a 5% dividend at the current price. That is unheard of for Coca-Cola. It's at levels that we haven't seen in 8 years. So I think Coke is a really interesting name. There are other names that I like, McDonald's, Disney. If you have a little more risk appetite, I actually think the airlines look like a really interesting value here. And I would note that Warren Buffett owns a bunch of the airline stocks.
Thank you, Mark, for helping us out today. And thanks to our viewer for writing in with excellent questions.
Great to see you too, Angela.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.